Today we will discuss about conservative vector field. Example on conservative vector field. For example is, if f is equal to, if vector field f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0, y comma x square minus x comma 0, around the square in the x comma y plane, xy plane, vertices of square are 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 and 0 comma 1. Show that f cannot be a conservative vector field. Conservative vector field. So here given vector field is given f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0. Given vector field is y comma x square minus x comma 0. Let us take a square. This is the curve C1 from here to C2, curve C2. Let us take O, A, B, C. These are the vertices of square. From B to C, curve C3. From C to O, curve C4. Here 4 curves, C1, C2, C3, C4. And O is origin is 0 comma 0 and the vertices are given vertices of square 0 comma 0. Here A is a 1 comma 0, B 1 comma 1 and C is 0 comma 1. X axis, Y axis. Now here f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0. Suppose if we take position vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then dr is equal to dx comma dy comma dz. Conservative vector field means we have to prove integral of f dot dr. Integral of f dot dr. Here C1, C2, C3, C4. Here 4 cases may arise. First case 1 is along curve C1. Along curve C1. This is nothing but OA. Along curve OA. O is 0 comma 0 and vertex of A is 1 comma 0. Here common coordinate is 0 0. Y coordinate is common for both. Y is equal to 0. Then remaining coordinate will be the limits. Then x limits becomes, therefore x limits 0 to 1. X limits becomes 0 to 1. Y is equal to 0. Then differentiating with respect to x, then dy is equal to 0. Now integral of along curve C1 f dot dr, which is equal to C1. Here f is y comma x square minus x comma 0 dot dr. Dr is dx comma dy comma dz, which is equal to integral of, here x limits 0 to 1, y comma, y is nothing but here 0, x square minus x comma 0 dot dx comma dy is 0. Question in the question xy plane is given. Here xy plane is nothing but z0. From this dz is also 0. Dz is also 0. So 0 comma 0 here. Integral 0 to 1. Here dot product 0 into dx 0 plus x square minus x into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. Therefore total integration of 0 will be 0. Therefore, integral C1 f dot dr is equal to 0. Therefore, integral C1 f dot dr is equal to 0. Equation 1. Similarly, you can find AB along AB, along BC, along CO, and then all curve C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. Now along curve C2. Along curve C2. This is the case 2. Case 2 along curve C2 is nothing but AB. Along AB, the vertex of A is 1, 0 and B is 1, 1. Now here common coordinate is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then y limits becomes 0 to 1. 0 to 1. If x is equal to 1, then dx is equal to differentiation of constant 0. If x is equal to 1, dx is equal to 0. Therefore, f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0. Y comma x square minus x comma 0, which is equal to y comma, here put x is equal to 1 here, 1 square minus 1. 1 square minus 1 comma 0, which is equal to y comma 0 comma 0. Now, integral of along curve C2 f dot dr is equal to along C2, where f is y comma 0 dot dr. Dr is dx comma dy comma dz, which is equal to y comma 0 dot, the dx value is x is equal to 1, then dx is 0 comma dy, dz is 0, which is equal to integral of C2 y dot 0, 0 plus 0 into dy, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. Then total term will be 0. Therefore, integral C2 f dot dr is, therefore, integral C2 f dot dr is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now, next along curve C3 from equation 1. Already we found here f dot dr is 0, that is equation 1. Now along curve C3. Third case is along curve C3 is nothing but B to C, along curve BC. Now here B coordinate of B is 1, 1 and C is 0, 1. Now here common coordinate is 1, 1. Y coordinate is common, then y is equal to 1. Therefore, x limits becomes 1 to 0. X limits becomes 1 to 0. 1 to 0. If y is equal to 1, then dy will be 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore, f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0, which is equal to, put y is equal to 1 and x square minus x comma 0, and dr is equal to dx comma dy comma dz, which is equal to dx comma dy 0, dz is 0. Therefore, integral along curve C3 f dot dr is equal to C3. Here f is 1 comma x square minus x comma 0 dot dr dx comma 0 comma 0. Here limits are 1 to 0 here. Integral of 1 to 0 dot product 1 dot dx plus x square minus x square into 0, then 0 into 0, 0, which is equal to integral of 0 to 1 dx. Integral of dx, integral of differentiation, integral 0 to 1, sorry 1 to 0, integral 1 to 0 dx. Here differentiation of integration of reciprocals. So x, integral of dx will be x, which is equal to, limits are 1 to 0, which is equal to 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, integral of C3 f dot dr is equal to minus 1. This is equation 3. Case for along curve. Fourth case, along curve C4, along curve C4, that is CO, from C to O. Coordinate of C are 0, 1 and above is 0, 0. The common coordinate are x equal to 0, then y limits 1 to 0, then y limits 1 to 0. From this dx is also 0. Now if f is equal to y comma x square minus x comma 0, which implies y comma x square. Put x equal to 0 in this, 0 minus 0, 0 comma 0. dr is equal to dx comma dy comma dz. From this dx is 0, dy dz is 0. Therefore integral C4 f dot dr is equal to integral of C4, the f is a y comma 0 comma 0 dot dr 0 comma dy comma 0, which is equal to, here the limits are 1 to 0, 1 to 0, y dot 0 0 plus 0 dot dy 0 plus 0 dot 0 0. Total term will be 0. Therefore integral of C4 along curve C4 f dot dr value is 0. This is equation 4. So sorry, here integral C4 f dot of dr is 0. This is equation 4. Now from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, integral of f dot dr is equal to integral along curve C1 f dot dr, along curve C2 f dot dr plus along curve C3 f dot dr plus along curve C4 f dot dr, which is equal to integral curve C1 f dot dr is 0. From equation 2 is also 0. From equation 3, C3 f dot dr value is minus 1 plus C4 0. Therefore minus 1. Therefore integral of f dot dr is equal to minus 1. Hence f is not a conservative vector field. F is not a conservative vector field. Suppose if f is a conservative vector field, then integral of f dot dr must be 0. If f is a conservative vector field, then f dot dr is equal to 0. Here we got f dot dr is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Then f is not a conservative vector field. Hence proved.